Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first video about Android development. Today I'll show how to open Facebook by clicking a button. So let's start to do that. Firstly, open Android Studio. Wait for a second to open it. Simply I create a new project to do that. Empty activity, we need empty activity. Next, I name it CLIC click, then finish. It's take to time. It's natural process. Need to some time to import all the libraries, build the Gradle. Almost done, just wait few seconds. It's activity main, it's the front end of application, and main activity Java, it's the back end of application. We need to coding 2 mass here and just make a button in activity main. Display it. Defaultly here is hello world text view, but we need to make it button. Sorry, button. Wait few minutes. Almost done loading. Yes, loaded. Yes, almost done. Hello world change to Facebook, and create a ID a big click. Then we go to main activity Java. Here initialize the button by button ID name is a big click, semicolon, and we move to here. Also here find view by ID setup equal to find view by ID r dot id dot a big click and semicolon. Also here we write true mass code ab click dot click on set on listener, new view click on listener, and here got URL. Customly make a method that's called got URL. And bracket the Facebook URL should put here. I just type https // facebook.com /groups group /cngrym. I put a Facebook group link, semicolon here, and show the error because it's need to create a custom method by main activity, because it's main activity. Then we write here 2-line code, URI, also alt enter, should alt enter here because it's imported, equal to u repairs s and semicolon, enter. Then start activity start start activity bracket and new intent action view array, then semicolon here. Everything is complete. Now time to check I connect my device by USB. Yes, connected. Let's start to debug. Also, I am sharing the screen. Yes, screen share is complete. Just wait to install. It's asking to install. Okay, install. Just wait few minutes. It's natural process to build the all libraries. Finally open the application. Let's start if it works or not. Yes, it's working fine. Let's start to working. Check. Yes, my destination URL is opened. It's working fine. Again test. Yes, it's working fine. Yes, it's working fine. Thank you guys for watching my very first video. If anything wrong, please forget that. Thank you guys for watching my first video. Pray for me to making more video about Android Studio, many type of problem solving and many type of things. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.